Hello student, may I hope you are all fine and doing the assignment very neatly. Today we are going to discuss the poem of chapter 2 from your Honey Skull book. Before this we just doing the activity. This is a very small activity. See, poem 2, The Kite. Our first question is, how many types of festivals are there in our country? Yes, very good. There are 3 types of festivals. First, National Festival, second, Religious Festival, and third one, Seasonal and Harvesting Festivals. Second question, name the religious festival of which one we celebrate in the month of January. Yes, Makar Sankranti. Very good. Our third question, how do we celebrate Makar Sankranti? Yes, give fast answer. We celebrate Makar Sankranti by flying kites, by eating sweets. Very good. See this beautiful picture of kite. In this poem, poet has drawn beautiful picture of flying kite through words in this poem. It's natural we all love to see flying kites and eagerly waited for this festival. Everyone like to see flying kites but never notice how it flies. See first paragraph of this poem. In the first stanza of the poet described the beauty of a moving kite, that it likes very bright in the contrast of blue sky, means when there are no clouds, then kite looks like very bright and it's soar up and down with a cracking sound. In the second stanza, the poet compared the kite with a ship, as a ship with its sail soars on the vast water and down on the crest of waves with the sail cloth. Similarly, the kite also with one sail soars high up in the sky. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is also taking a rest for a while in the air. In the third stanza, the poet wanted to say, when the thread tied to the kite loosens, the fire runs and rolls it back. He waits till a new breeze, means air, blows again and fills its wings with air again to help it fly high. In the last stanza, the poet wants to say that the kite looks like bright in the contrast of the blue sky when it is new, but when it becomes fall down, it becomes a ragged thing and we will never go to see it. What happens with the kite? It get totally torn and ugly. So if we compare with our life is also like that. We have to face so many problems or obstacles to get our aim, to achieve our aim. Thank you.